sit down and start to look, maybe month after month. First, start with that. How was my Jan, Feb, March, April? And then start to pick up people, because as you move forward, you'll start to remember, oh, okay, this happened in this month. Oh, wow, that happened. Oh, this person left me. Oh, this person was mean to me. Oh my God, these people just outcasted me. Or, oh my God, I did something nasty to somebody. Or I got hurt. Or I lost my job. Or my business didn't do well. Or I was waiting for somebody to say sorry. That person didn't. As you move forward with every month, memories will start surfacing. And with memories, certain pain, fear, disappointment, anger, disgust, resentment, lot of emotions will start to pop up. Some very happy ones, some not so happy ones. Start to make a note of it.